What an opportunity this is for somebody to get themselves an unbelievable Defender 90 XS in Firenze Red. One owner from new. Service history from Land Rover. 14, 15, 16, 17. Full Land Rover documented service history. Side steps, off-road tyres, contrasting black roof. We've got a snorkel. It's a full 4-seater. Beautiful inside. Look at the roof lining. So you've got them 4 seats. Them seats actually drop and tilt on the side if you just need the load space. With it being an XS, it's got aircon, heated seats. It is stunning. One owner from new. They do not crop up like this. One owner, 44,000 miles, 2014. What an example. First come, first served. Just be very, very quick with this one. Thank you for watching.